This video is for anyone that lost their Facebook page, or probably you were removed as an admin, or you mistakenly removed yourself as an admin, or your business portfolio. But for the sake of this video, I'll be talking about Facebook page and business portfolio. Stay with me in this video and I will explain to you. So the first thing you have to do is pay for a verified Facebook badge. Pay for a verified Facebook badge. When you pay for this Facebook badge, that is the blue tick you see on people's profile. When you pay for it, you are able to get access to Facebook support. When you pay for it, you're able to get access to Facebook support. It's not expensive. In Naira, it's about 4,000 Naira plus charges. Very cheap, very cheap. Now, when you pay for it, you are able to get access to Facebook support. And once you get access to Facebook support, you are 50% close to solving your issue or getting back your Facebook page. Once you pay for your verified badge, you immediately see a support feature on your profile. Immediately you pay for your verified badge. Then once you get that support feature, you can just chat support. And the moment you chat support, go straight to the point, tell them the issue you are facing, how your page was hacked, or how you removed yourself as admin, or your portfolio was hacked. Whatever happened, just explain to them. Now, after explaining to them, there are 5 essential documents that they are going to ask you for. There are 5 essential documents they will ask you for. Number 1 is a means of identification. Get that's ready, your means of identification. Number 2 is an attestation letter. Now, the attestation letter is just a letter you're going to type yourself. This letter is going to contain information about you and your relationship with the page. For example, you're going to say, your name, I'm the owner of this page. I created this page this day, on this year. I create this page. I'm the only admin of this page. This is the link to the page and your relationship with the page. You are going to append your signature, write the date, and a conclusion. I'm going to drop a link to this attestation letter in the description below. So once you click the link, it's going to direct you to a template. It's just a template to guide you while you are typing your attestation letter. The attestation letter is a major stress. Because if you don't type it very well, they're going to bounce you back and you just keep correcting and correcting. But if you use the template, it should help you. So your attestation letter is very important. I've mentioned 2 documents. 1, means of identification. Number 2, the attestation letter. Then the 3rd document is your statement of accounts. Probably just a month. That is not more than a month. Statement of account, no more than a month. Then number 4 document is a certificate of incorporation. In Nigeria, it's a CAC. Your business page should have CAC because you have it registered. So you can use your CAC. Let me check my audio. It's good. Back to the video. Your certificate of incorporation. Your business page is registered. Definitely, you should register your business. So that certificate of incorporation is needed. Then the 5th document is your tax identification. If you pay your tax and you're in Nigeria, you definitely have a tax certificate. So you're going to add that as well. If you don't have that, they're going to, if you don't, whatever document you don't have, you can tell them and they're going to give you the alternatives. They're going to give you other options. They're really, it's really easy. Support team, they're friendly, they're cool. And let me also add, they're also going to request to call you. Yes, they will call you. They will ask for your phone number. They will call you. If your number doesn't go through, they're going to send you a link. It's more like a web call, just to know exactly what the issue is in case they don't understand whatever you've written to them. If they don't understand, they're going to call you to hear from you themselves. So it's really easy. Once you're, like I said, once you're able to contact support, you are 50% close to solving your issue. The only thing that will hinder you is if you don't have these documents. If you don't have your means of identification, your attestation letter, your bank statements, your certificate of incorporation for your business, and your tax identification. these 5 documents. Very important. Once you attach these 5 documents and send it to them, it's probably going to take 3 to 4 days, and you're going to get your page back, even if it's a business portfolio. For those who have monetized pages, you know what business portfolio is all about. Or even if it's your account, you can get it back as long as you have these documents to back ownership. The reason why they're asking for all of this is just to prove that you are the owner of your page. That is why they are asking for all of these documents. Let me confirm my audio again. We're good. So the reason why they're asking for all of these documents is just to confirm that you are the owner of this page or this portfolio that you are about to claim. Yeah. So once you provide these documents, you are good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. This is just all you need to know. It's something you can do yourself. Your chatting support, it makes it easy. The money you're supposed to pay somebody to do it is what you've paid for you to get a verified badge so that you can be able to contact support. So it's pretty simple. Something you can do yourself. The only stress is if you don't get your documents right. They're going to bounce you back, and you probably get tired. All right. And also, let me also add, if you don't meet some of their good support team, they may not really understand you. Some of them don't really understand quickly, but 90% they are good. 90% they are good. They are good. Please, disclaimer, I don't work with Meta. I don't work with Facebook. I just found myself in this same problem that you found yourself, and I was able to solve it myself. So I'm giving you a guide. So that's it on claiming your page, or retrieving your page rather, not claiming your page. So it's pretty simple. You can do it yourself. If you lost your page, or you removed yourself as admin, or someone removed you as admin, or your business portfolio, these steps will help you. So let me know if this video is helpful in the comment section below. Thank you.